In front of me is Google Pixel 10 and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions. Taking control over Permission Manager is very important because you don't know for sure which apps decided to get access to your location, photos or any other data, which they don't need to function. So if you want to manage all of that and check out all of your apps, go into Settings. Then scroll to hit Security and Privacy section. Finally, it's time to scroll all the way down and hit Privacy Controls. Now choose Permission Manager at the top and pick any feature you wanna manage. Let's start with Camera. After tapping on one of your features, you will be able to pick one of those as apps under one of those categories. In case of Camera, allowed all the time, allowed only while in use, or not allowed. Let's go with Chrome from allowed only while in use. Now pick one of those options to apply the best one for you. Camera access for this app, allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I want to choose don't allow, so when I tap and go back, Chrome no longer has access to my device's camera. But now my favorite part, to manage Permission Manager. Pick any feature you like, just to select an app you wanna manage. In my case, I will go into Location, only to access my Facebook. Tap on your app, and instead of selecting any of those options, choose See All Permissions available at the bottom of the list. Then manage all of those only for chosen app, the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!